Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini to generate different kinds of file formats that you can download or you can print directly from Gemini platform. This is a new feature that would enable you to create Microsoft Word documents. You can convert documents to words. You can generate PowerPoint presentations in Google Slides in PPT format. You can generate Excel sheets. You can generate even latex folders or PDF documents depending on your choice. So let's say we open my Gemini. Let me go ahead and prompt it with something very direct. So let's say I have this prompt. Create a professional Google Slides presentation on AI usage statistics in Nigerian universities. Include modern slides design, charts, graphs, infographics, and data visualization showing AI tools used, for example, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, etc. Frequency of usage, purpose of usage, comparison between federal, state, and private universities, key trends, add realistic statistics and research insights, recommendations, and clean academic presentation style. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use a thinking mode, and I'm going to just go ahead and send this. All right, now you can see it has generated even the slides, each slide and the content, and you can see the detail of what it has given us. Very detailed in each and every slide. If you are interested, you can go back and regenerate this here, or you can add in, or you can seek for correction or editing in any of the slides based on the synopsis that it has given us. So I'm just going to go ahead and ask it. I'm going to use the canvas feature. And as you can see, it has given me the PowerPoint slides. I will be able to now move from one slide to another very easily. All right, and as you can see, it has generated the slides. Look at how fantastic the slides are. Very detailed and very wonderful that you can use directly in any presentation of your choice. Now you're free to open this and you're free to come over here and click on share. You can share this directly. You can copy the link, and anybody that you give this link can play this slide. Okay, assuming I copied it, I can paste it in here and I can go ahead and continue to use it on this my account. I can be able to now present. You can see my slides very easily and wonderfully created. Now I can go ahead and further chat it. Can you convert this to a PDF document? Okay, I can go ahead and give it enter to this, and let's see what this is going to generate for me. And as you can see, it has converted the document into a PDF. Okay, so take a look at how detailed this is, and very clear, very detailed, even with the title, a mini abstract of the whole thing. Now you can go ahead as well and you can download this also if you are interested. You can download it as a PDF document outside, or you can share it as well with people if you're interested in sharing on any of these platforms, or you can share directly by copying the link. When you paste it in here, anyone can have access, or anyone with the link can be able to open it on any browser that he has. Now, another thing that we can do, say we go back to new charts, and this time around, I want to ask you to create a new professional Excel spreadsheet showing AI usage statistics in Nigerian universities using realistic survey data, about 50 rows and so on. Yeah, give me all of these features. I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate. And as you can see, it has generated my Excel sheet. I can just click on it. You can see the data that it has given me, very detailed, and it gave me up to 50 different rows of the data. You can see from everything well detailed, well structured, even including the cells and everything. You can come over here. You can open this in a new tab. Over here, this is on Sheets. If you like, you can download it by coming to here, and you can download it in .xls. File, download, and .xls if you're interested. Right, so you can export this, or you can convert this as well into a PDF document as well. Okay, convert this data into a PDF document, and then I'm going to give it another document, another prompt to generate a Word document, Microsoft Word document about the future of AI in Nigerian university system. And when you click on this, you can be able to see that it has converted that document into an Excel sheet. Very detailed, and it has even given us some adoption by institution type with very good branding of the message. You can download this also, or you can print this if you're interested. Now let me give you this final one. Create a Microsoft Word document in this format of this big detail, and I click on create or enter. Okay. So I'm going to say I need a Word document, not PDF. All right. So let's see what this is going to create. And as you can see, it has directly given us the Word document in the docs file. Can just click, you're able to see how detailed and how clear this document is. You can print it if you're interested, or you can download it also and use it outside of Gemini. So you can go ahead, explore this and see to what advantage would you, or what for file formats do you prefer to use this to create your content directly. Okay, so this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of Google Gemini to create different kind of formats or file formats for document creation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.